ate Senator wa kaunti ya Uasingishu niwe Jackson Mandago hamwe na ekuirwoangi meshack rono na Joshua Lelei marekereirio na bodi ya muigana wa shilingi milioni 2 ni igooti ria Naikuru na kuria mushirithania Alois Ndege wite atatu acio makoro magishokereria thitango ici iri mwekuirwo wa kana niwe Joseph Maritim akoro agishokereria kuma bururi-ini wa Canada na kenya aikoro aikiheo ituiro riake.
I just want to give you my assurance that as we are committed to the rule of law and we are working on a very clear conscience on what the program entails and what it entails. So what is that? But we want to thank all of you and my people from Naikuru County. Tumekuwa na maasala wengi huko, hata wengine walikuwa na bill kidogo ya 1,200 nini. Hawa maasala karibu watu 60. Pia nimesema wacha tuende nyumbani wote tukaendelee. I believe you know that judiciary has their own discretion. We are politicians and we believe in the rule of law. So whatever the courts has decided, we are under obligation to exactly keep that. So and personally, me, I'm comfortable with that decision. I absolutely have no problem.
Ulijilete mwenyewe?
Hawa ni wagongo sana. Mlikuwa mnasema nilishikiwa wapi? Ambia wanyama waje vitina mingi na waje kulipwa. Asanteni sana. See you tomorrow in Eldoret in the Devolution Conference. I'll pick it up from where we left to conclude. But just to say that amidst all this, there is one thing that you people must understand. That devolution is real, devolution is working, and the conference is giving Kenyans the opportunity to criticize what has happened in devolution for the last 10 years, and an opportunity now of where do we go.
Na tukitigana na report